Welcome to eiwayshop, your ultimate destination for all things beauty and skincare. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of skincare and unveiling the top 5 products that every beauty lover needs in their arsenal. From luxurious serums to nourishing creams, we've curated a selection of must-have skincare essentials that will take your beauty routine to the next level. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover your new skincare favorites. 1. Cleanser. The foundation of any skincare routine is a good cleanser. We'll explore different types of cleansers, from gentle foams to creamy formulas, and discuss how to choose the right one for your skin type. Cleansing is essential for removing dirt, oil, and makeup, leaving your skin clean and refreshed. 2. Serum. Serums are packed with potent ingredients that target specific skin concerns. We'll highlight the benefits of serums and discuss key ingredients to look for, such as hyaluronic acid for hydration and vitamin C for brightening. Adding a serum to your routine can help address issues like fine lines, uneven texture, and dullness. A retinol cream. No skincare routine is complete without a potent retinol cream. This powerhouse ingredient is a game changer for combating signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven texture. By stimulating collagen production and accelerating cell turnover, retinol helps to reveal smoother, younger-looking skin with continued use. 4. Moisturizing sunscreen. Speaking of sunscreen, our next essential is a moisturizing sunscreen that offers broad-spectrum protection against harmful UV rays. Sunscreen is the ultimate anti-aging product, helping to prevent premature aging, sunburn, and skin cancer. Look for a lightweight, non-comedogenic formula that won't clog pores or leave a greasy residue. Apply sunscreen liberally every morning, even on cloudy days, and reapply throughout the day as needed for maximum protection. 5. Overnight mask. Last but not least, we have an overnight mask, the perfect indulgence for pampering your skin while you sleep. Overnight masks are formulated with potent ingredients that work overtime to nourish, repair, and rejuvenate the skin, delivering visible results by morning. Whether you're looking to hydrate, brighten, or soothe your skin, there's an overnight mask out there for you. Apply a generous layer to clean skin before bed, and wake up to a radiant complexion that's ready to take on the day. And there you have it, 5 skincare essentials that every beauty lover needs in their collection. From hydrating serums to protective sunscreen, these products are sure to elevate your skincare routine and help you achieve the glowing, healthy complexion of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to eiwayshop for more skincare tips and recommendations.